Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at the Flatsons FOD3 overdrive pedal. This is a compact analog overdrive designed to give you warm, tube-style breakup. Quick disclaimer, Flatson did send this to me for review, but as always, the thoughts and testing you see here are based on my own hands-on experience. Let's do a super quick unboxing. Inside the box, you get the pedal and the manual. Simple and clean packaging. The pedal itself is lightweight, compact, and it feels solid. On the bottom, it has an anti-slip pads built into the base. This helps keep the pedal from sliding around, especially if you're playing on a smooth floor or moving your foot quickly. It stays put even without Velcro. Quick feature and highlights: it runs on DC power and it uses an analog signal format, so the tone feels natural and responsive. So here you get a simple knob controls, level, tone, and drive. So level controls how loud the pedal pushes your signal. You can use it as a clean boost or match it in your amp's volume. Tone lets you shape the brightness or want, turn it up for more bite, or roll it back for a smoother, darker sound. Drive is your gain. This is what adds the grit. Low drive gives you a warm push, and higher drive gives you crunchy rhythm tones. It operates at 3.7 volts and only draws 300 microamps, so it's very power efficient. The audio effect is straight overdrive, warm, smooth, and touch sensitive. This pedal has a true bypass, just means when the pedal is off, it doesn't affect your sound at all. Your guitar tone stays completely clean and untouched. I love that it is compact and it has a metal chassis, so it's easy to fit on any pedal board. For my practice use, I like using this as a clean boost. It pushes my amp just enough to get natural breakup without changing my core tone. So the rest of the video, I will be testing this pedal. Here's how it sounds. First clean, then with the overdrive engaged. You can hear how it adds warmth and pushes the mids without getting muddy. So that's the Flatsons FOD3 overdrive pedal. It's compact, easy to use, and gives you the warm, tube-style breakup without needing a big amp. If you're a beginner or a casual player who doesn't want to spend a lot of money, this is a great pedal. It's simple, affordable, and it gives you a warm overdrive tone without any complicated controls. For more experienced players or even professionals, this can still be a useful pedal. It's a small, reliable, and works well as a clean boost or a first stage overdrive. If you already have a big pedal board, this is an easy way to add another flavor without taking up space. So overall, I'd say it's a solid choice for beginners, casual players, and even pros who want a compact, budget-friendly overdrive. That's it for this video. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.